Welcome back to the Northland Beat. Today we're talking about one of the biggest advantages of our Commend Intercom solutions, their ability to modernize security and communication systems without the cost of replacing existing wiring. For correctional facilities, healthcare organizations, and other high security environments, upgrading intercom infrastructure has traditionally meant tearing out old cables, shutting down sections of a building, and dealing with long, expensive construction timelines. But our solutions change that. Northland's Commend intercom systems are fully compatible with IP networks, 2-wire and 4-wire configurations, and even legacy 18.3 wiring, which means your facility can upgrade without demolition, without wiring, and without disrupting operations. The wiring flexibility also leads to major cost savings. Many deployments see a 40 to 60% lower installation cost, simply because existing infrastructure can be reused rather than rebuilt. And because the Commend hardware is modular, durable, and low maintenance, organizations benefit from long-term ROI, reduced downtime, and fewer replacements. Especially important in environments like housing units, medical wings, secure entrances, and patient care areas. Even better, Commend solutions integrate easily with access control, video surveillance, alarms, and other security systems, giving agencies the ability to modernize communications and unify their security posture without investing in a full infrastructure overhaul. Whether you're running a correctional facility, a hospital, a behavioral health center, or any environment that requires safe, always available communication, Northland offers a smarter, more cost-efficient way to upgrade, leveraging the wiring you already have. That's today's spotlight on the Northland Beat. If you're considering a communication or security upgrade and want to reduce costs while increasing reliability, reach out. We'd love to help. You can learn more at www.northlandsys.com.